Meaning of decorated style.
Decorated style.
Decorated style.
Decorated style.
Decorated style. Decorated style refers to a type of decorative art and architecture that was popular in Europe during the 19th century. It is characterized by ornate and intricate designs that feature a sense of opulence and grandeur, often incorporating motifs from ancient cultures and mythologies. Examples include the elaborate ironwork and stained glass windows found in Victorian-era buildings, as well as the intricate patterns and details found in furniture and textiles from the same period. The result is a lavish and extravagant aesthetic that is still appreciated today for its craftsmanship and attention to detail.